what's up everybody? Welcome. We're here at the beach. Eastern Beach. Just came back with the family. We got for weather.
Hi guys, it's Shaya here. We're here at the Laumua Christmas break. Yeah, it's happy to be here with the family and catching up with all the cousins, all the family, and thank you.
Hi, my name's Elsa, and we're here for the Laumua Christmas breakup, and my parents are Rochelle, Saltilu, and Lewis Tonga. And it's actually good being here. It's a nice hot day to have a nice swim and be with family who we haven't seen in ages. And yeah, peace.
Merry Christmas to the Laumua family and the Aaron family. Hope everybody has a good Christmas and hope everybody has a good year.
Hayden on the barbie. Hayden getting all this sorted.
Drop in the water,
Kalafa to Macau. We got the boys in the water. We got Kyrie. We got Lani, Theo, Liam, Tor. Got Atu and them over there. But this is Osiris. That's Isla May. It's her birthday tomorrow. Got the crew back here. They just left the camera. Got Mr. Jackson. Nice day. Whoa!
The little kids just He's ready? Yeah, go! Okay, we got the winning team.
What happens if they tap us?
Serious.
It's a good game.
Merry Christmas and a big whakalawhalai to everyone, family and friends, and welcome to the end of year Christmas beach party organised by John Eric. Thank you very much, John. And I think it's important that as we gather around the tree and the sea, surrounded by loved ones, is that we remind ourselves of what matters the most. And what matters the most is spending time with family and having fun and making good memories. And I know that in the busy year that we've had so far, it's easy to forget things, that matter. But today is about slowing down and just being in the moment with family and friends and celebrating what's worth celebrating. And over the next few hours, I mean, we've only got 2 hours left, but only over the next 2 hours, I mean, you know, just make some noise, have some laughs, eat some good food. You see the food back there, and just spend time because it's Christmas. And remember, it's not just about the gifts, but it's also about spending time as family and remembering that family first. Family comes first. And so to the elders, whakalawha'atu, and to the family and friends, whakalawha'atu as well. Here's to the Laumua family end of year Christmas beach party. May our time be merry, bright, filled with fun. Cheers.
Merry Christmas Laumua family. It's a beautiful day here out at Eastern Beach. Whakaoelahi John and Oma and Christian and the committee for organising everything today. It's been a lovely day and beautiful to see all the children connecting. Everybody have a wonderful Christmas and take care, be safe, and we'll see you in the new year. Whakaoelahi.
Oh, but me and Gus were just burning, huh?
If it's not cooked, blame it on him.
Stick to the sausages. Merry Christmas, fams. Thanks for the invitation. I'm really glad to be here. Appreciate what you've done for the family for 2025. And yeah, more family events like this. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, fuck forward. Gus.
Yeah, Merry Christmas to the family, and it's good to be here, see the kids are happy. So yeah, God bless. Merry Christmas.
It's awesome. Yeah. And thank you, Henry, for sorting out the barbie.
That's what Sages barbie. Throw into it.
Hi family, just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. And 2025 went by so fast, but better things will be happening in 2026. Thank you.
Fuck away. Thank you.
Say hi. Say hi.
That's
Okay,
that's
never mind.
okay.
Africa Merry Christmas, Laumua family and everyone. And yeah, it's great to be here today, reunite with everyone, and reunite with those who came on our recent trip. But yeah, love this family and thank you.
Hello everyone, I just want to say thank you to the organisers of this event. This is an awesome day, and yeah, if you're part of the Laumua family but you've never been in touch, man, connect. Because this is what you get. Awesome day out with the family.
Okay, whakalapa to everyone. We're here at Eastern Beach celebrating our Laumua family Christmas. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. We're lucky to be here. We've just had lunch. We're about to hand out all the Christmas presents very soon to all the kids. Just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and if I don't see you, Happy New Year as well.
Hey, whakalawhia atu Laumua family. Gosh, awesome Christmas party today here at Eastern Beach. Oh, so good to see all the kids, eh? Just, they came and tried, and then by the end everyone was having a blast, dancing and singing. Must have been when the Christmas present came early, eh? Christmas comes early with the Laumua family, didn't have to wait till the 25th. Man, but nice spot, swimming, eating, presents, games. Yeah, well done to the youth, Taki John and Christian, Laumua Taki, and just everyone showing up. I think there was about 60 kids on the list. So most of the kids came, a few had a few things on. So yeah, another successful Laumua event, and many more to come. Wishing everyone a happy and safe Merry Christmas, and looking forward to catching up soon.
Thank you, John, for organising today, and everyone for a wonderful Laumua 2026-2025 Christmas, and Happy New Year for 2026.
Whakalawhia to everyone. My name is Rochelle Tonga, and this is my daughter Ontavia Tonga, and we are from the Laumua family. We just want to wish all the Laumua family a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And we're just currently at the Laumua Christmas gathering, and I would just like to thank all the organisers, with the Cuz John himself behind the camera, and everyone else involved, and his siblings, and all the Laumua committee. It was a good turnout with all the cousins and that, like seeing all the kids just grow up and actually have time to bond and getting to know one another, and yeah, it turned out to be a great day, and yeah, we just wish you guys all the best in the new year, and we'll see you guys in 2026. Don't forget, and God bless. Love you all.
My name is Bismarck Salatielu. Yeah, just give God all the praise and all the glory, you know, for this beautiful day, beautiful weather, to come and celebrate our Laumua Christmas Day. Yeah, just real grateful, real blessed to be here. It's our first time coming to the Laumua Christmas, and it's awesome to see all our family. You know, there's a lot of kids now, and we've never seen them before, but it's good to, I guess, put a face to the name, you know, and just celebrate with the family, break bread together. It's it's awesome to see the kids, and you know, receiving gifts. So even though John didn't pronounce their names properly, But you know what, that's the thing, because you never see them, you know, and that's the importance of just coming together, you know, regularly to catch up as a family, and just so, you know, our kids can know their cousins. So just real grateful, and just thanks to John, the president, Christian, and yeah, just all the committee for putting this together. And it is something that just keeps us connected, and I'll definitely be coming to more of the meetings or more of the gatherings, because I can see the value in it, and also just just really grateful, and just enjoy your Christmas, and you know, we're heading into the festive season too. Just be safe, and there's a lot of things going on at the moment during this time. You know, people being silly on the roads, and sound like a cop now. But just have a Merry Christmas, and God bless you all.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, family.
Who do we have here?
Oh, we have Admire
And Elias.
and their twins.
Nice.
The twins. We just had a very nice day out in Eastern Beach.
Yeah, the weather came out through pretty good too. It's good to be away from the storm.
Yeah, good to see all the family that we haven't seen in ages.
Yeah, thank you for the Christmas gifts too.
Yeah.
And if you didn't come today, we hope to see you in the next one.
Yes.
Whakaoi, guys. So peeps, it's the end of the day. We finished up, we said the closing prayer. We just got myself, the bro Hayden was here from the beginning. Shop bro with the barbecue. And got Lakam here. Kids games. Awesome event, thank you to everyone that showed up. All the maduas, all the kids, all the committee. And yeah, looking forward to the next one. Thank you to the Lord too for blessing us with some good weather. You can see that. Nice weather. It's not too hot. And we'll be looking forward to the next Laumua reunion, which is in April in Niue Island, Hakupu. Can't wait. Yeah, shout out to the committee for funding us some money. We have shout out to Eliza for organising the lotto tickets, so we've been able to spend that money to buy food and gifts. And big thanks to Laumua as well, and Sandy for organising the gifts. Took some time out of their day to do that. And yeah, until then, we'll see you next time. Peace. Thanks for coming, Kyron. Merry Christmas. Thanks for coming, Auntie.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, family. Beautiful day.
Yep.
Very beautiful day. Mawelai, Mawao, John, Christian, to everybody. Thank you so much, John and family. It's been an awesome, blessed day to enjoy with all the family. And may you all look after yourselves during Christmas. Be safe and have an awesome Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Love you all. Thank you.
Whakalofa, we've got little Miss Danielle, 3 months here.
The baby of the local family so far.
She's the youngest. And who's this here?
This is Rita.
Rita? How old is Rita?
She's 6.
Rita.
This is
Audrey. Hi, Audrey.
And this is Iris. This is Ivy's
Ivy's second. Ivy. Thank you. And so are these 3 your kids? 1, 2.
Yes, 1, 2, 3.
All right. Thank you. Thanks you guys for coming.
We're happy to be here to see everyone, all the kids.
Happy birthday to you. Monuina, Monuina ya whanau. Monuina ya whanau. Monuina ya whanau. Monuina ya whanau. Hooray! Hooray!